Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey. So Eric dropped off his brand new Road Glide for a Stage 3 audio upgrade. It actually started as Stage 2. I let him hear a couple of bikes when he was here, and he was on the fence on whether to go with a Stage 2 or Stage 3. He chose a Stage 2. We started building the bike. 3 days in, I got the text. He said, let's just do the whole thing. Let's do the Stage 3, add the second amplifier, add the 8-inch woofers in the bags. When he picked up the bike, he was glad he made the decision. The bike just sounds fuller, and it's an all-around complete sound if you're willing to give up the bag space. He's 100% happy. We're 100% happy. Check out how the build went. He opted to go with the Cicada horn tweeters in the full replacement grills, Cicada CMs, mid-bass drivers in the fairing, 2 Sound Digital Evo X 800.4s, a HKM Mini DSP. We flashed the radio. We used our T-harness, Hertz 200L mid-bass drivers in the saddlebags, and Hertz 690 Neos in a Cicada lid cutting kit. So oxygen-free copper wire and everything. Bike was RTA tuned. Sounds phenomenal. Check it out.
Saying that shit till it's dope. Rich young nigga can't get no scope. I'm cool with the bleak that's on my brother. Take a risk every day with my life. I'ma roll that dice like a tenor. Go to the bank, deposit money every weekend. That bitch till I break that hoe. Niggas say that I got enough money in my pocket. Pussy ass nigga need smoke. I ain't been asleep in a good damn week. I'm this and that, but you can't say I'm broke. Me and my brother had bump beds. I was on the bottom of it, down there to the floor. Now when you step in my crib, you can lay on my bed with 20-some hoes. Clip so long, look like turkey legs. Thank God every day that I ain't dead. Dirty ass guy gotta know how to play it. Gotta keep my head with one in the head. But when the beds, he locked up steak. Sweet cheese in the spread. Yeah. Thrashed out when she see that. The dudes wanna be that, but it's different lanes where we be at. Try to merge and I react. Better find a curb, little Fiat on the verge of a relapse. I relap and relap, the shit is a race. Some of them gas out and some of them fade. Till you no longer.
It starts with
one day, I don't know why. It doesn't even matter how hard you try. Keep that in mind. I designed this rhyme to explain in due time. All I know, time is a valuable thing. Watch it fly by as the pendulum swings. Watch it count down to the end of the day. The clock takes life away. It's so unreal. Didn't look out below. Watch the time go right out the window. Trying to hold on to didn't even know I wasted it all just to watch you go. I kept everything inside, and even though I tried, it all fell apart. What it meant to be will eventually be a memory of a time I tried so hard and got so far. In the end, it doesn't even matter. I had to fall to risk it all.
I've been throw up the sex in the and I can put you in. I can put you in. I've been throw up the sex in the and I can put you in. I can see the whole city from this balcony. Back in 2019, I was outside freely, but now they got it out for me. I don't care what frat you was in, you can't out for me.
Damn, Kai, you going crazy. I be in a loop, she be in a group. Brody on a friend, throw a alley-oop. Toss something to nothing, bro, I'm living poor.